Hello, Kobe. Hello, Mr. Kobe. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you all. Dito, want to sawa tayo dito talaga. Matagal ako magla-live. Mag-start tayo ngayon hanggang sa magsawa kayo. Hello, Gray. Hello, Shawi J24. I will wait for your follow back, Kanda. Salamat. Sige, follow back kita, te. Hello, Gray. Shawi. Hello, Jalton. Guys, ngayon yung time na dahil day off ko, matagal-tagal akong magla-live dito, as in. Tagal-tagal. Taga saan ka pala ganda? Taga ano lang, taga dito lang. Taga Japan. Hello, Remedios. Hindi, taga nun lang ako. Taga Bulacan. Hello, Lionheart. Thank you for that follow, guys. Grabe na yung gumaganong-ganong pa ako dito sa ano. I was like, huh? What a time to be alive. Anong work mo? Customer service. I'm working as a customer service, guys. Hello, School to Baby. So, hi PM ako. Sure, mag-PM ka lang kayo. PM lang kayo, guys. Kaya mag-alala, hindi ako nagre-reply. Sorry, guys. So, ayan. I'm customer service, guys. And it's my day off. Kinis ng kilikili mo, Lodi. Anong daily routine mo dyan? Guys, wala naman akong mga ginagamit sa kilikili ko aside from the, what we call that? Aside from the deodorant. So, nagdi-deodorant lang talaga ako. And ang deodorant ko ay si Nivea. Ayun lang, ang consistent ko lang talaga. Kasi even though na walang amoy yung kilikili ko, hello X5 Xiaomi. Kasi even though I don't have any, smell in my armpit talaga, guys, I really want to smell good. I want to smell good. Kahit nasa bahay lang ako, I really want to smell good. Wala, para kasing nadudugyutan ako kapag hindi ako mabango. And I want people around me mabango din. Kasi 'di ba? It's like paano ba tawag dito? Yung hygiene kasi hygiene talaga ang pinakaano ko, guys, yung hygiene. Kasi yung ha? Yung hygiene talaga yung pinakagusto ko, guys, sa isang tao. Is it because nakaka-torn Hello, guys. Uy, hello. Hello po, level 46, shall we? As in, guys, okay lang, amuyin niyo lang. It's okay with me. I'm confident naman. Confident naman. Hello, Bador. Shall we, guys? Hello, SB. Kasi, guys, totoo yun na. Nakakagwapo at nakakaganda ang pagiging mabaho. Tingin niyo. Uh-huh. Hello, guys. Shall we sa inyo? Grabe yung ano ko yung tawang nakatabi. Hello, Noki Peace. Kamusta kayo, guys? I was like, kamusta na kayo, B? Grabe yung ano ko, pagiging masipag ko, guys. Kasi as in talaga, nag-alarm ako. Walang kwenta naman yung alarm ko kasi di ako nagising, di ba? Every time kasi, guys, hello Jeffrey, hello Jaguar. Every time kasi, hello Troublemaker. Shawi sa'yo, hello Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Kasi every time na off ko, guys, hindi talaga ako nag-ano, what do we call that? Hello, Wati. Ganun, tulog-tulog na lang ang nangyayari talaga sa life ko. Hello, sister. Shall we, guys? Hello, Bishima. Hello, engineer. Engineer. Hello, Patrick. Shall we, guys? Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Alam nyo, guys, may kwento ako. Di sa work namin kasi. Tawag dito. Sa work namin kasi, may team building kami na tinatawag. So, may team building ang ate nyo. Eh ngayon, di ba as a customer service, guys, merong mga napupunta sa inyo na mga tenured na kasi new lang kami noon. So, new kami. So, mga tenured, medyo nalipat sa amin. Hello, guys. Just keep it Shari. Hello, Austin. How are you? It's been a while. It's really been a while. So, ganon. So, yeah. Hello, Races. Hello, Kuya Jack. Shall we? Hello, Boss Rod. Shall we play Ford? So, ayun na nga, di ba? So, nakakapagpagabagag Shawi sa'yo. So, ang nangyari kasi niyan, guys, hello Astro, dami kasing pumapasok, guys. Other customer service. Ngayon, nagbotohan if Grumpy Joe or Sam G. Eh kasi, of course, kami kasi, di ba, pera ng, ano yun, wave namin yun, hindi pera ng, hindi pera ng, hello John, hello Lemon Square, hello guys. So, hindi yun pera ng mga tenured. Eh, kasi kami, bagong hire kami noon. So, may team building kami na ngayon lang talaga natuloy yung team building namin. As in, ngayon lang talaga. As in, sobrang ngayon lang natuloy yung ano namin. So, ang nangyari guys, di ba ngayon lang? So, ako yung naging leader kasi I was the leader. Hello, Jacob. So, ako yung naging leader doon. And then, ang nangyari guys is, nagbotohan if Samji or Grumpy Joe. Because it's our favorite kasi si Grumpy. So, hello, Bansha. Shall we, guys? Hello, Hudas. So, Grumpy Joe yung gusto namin. So, Grumpy Joe, guys. So, ang nangyari niyan, kasi, hello, Boss Love. How are you? So, ito kasing si tenured, guys. So, the tenured one, which is, he wants Sangji. And we really don't want a Samji. We want a Grumpy Joe. So, we can share it. Kasi, if we're going to eat, hello, Scooby, shall we, guys? Kasi, if we want to eat sa, what we call it, Samji, guys, kasi, mausok, mamantika, and everything. Tapos, lulutuin mo pa, which is we don't like. Kasi, we want in a place where hindi naman cheap tignan. Kasi we're going to take a picture, take a memories, di ba? Hello, Yum Yum. Shall we, guys? So, ang nangyari nun, we vote. So, 10 kami versus 3. So, 3 silang nalipat sa team namin. And may karapatan kami doon sa money. It is because it's money from our wave. Hello, Entro. So, ang nangyari doon, guys? Nagbutuan kami, nanalo si Grumpy. So, as a leader, kasi I'm the leader of the group, of the team. Hindi ako yung manager, I am just the leader of my team. So, sabi ko, guys, okay, this is the menu. So, if you want something, hello, you're top 1. Ay, may top 1 na ako. Grabe na to. So, ang nangyari, so I'm, what we call it, I asked my team, sabi ko sa kanila, like, guys, if you want, tawag dito, hello, Karzan, shall we? Good morning, guys. So, ask me or this is the menu. You can just choose whenever you like. Basta yung sharing like, wala yung meal. No meal at all. Just the, the side, the chicken. Hello, Karzan, shall we sa'yo? Kamusta ka? Hello, V! Uy, idol ko si V. Hello, Gwenchana, shall we? So, yung mga ganon. So, there's a time na ganon. And then, napag-usapan na namin yung sa menu, mga o-orderin. Hello, Pinyalamat. Hello, Kali. Yung mga orderin namin. So, I sent it to other GC, which our main GC, with our boss, with our manager. Hello, Romel. Shall we sa'yo? Hello, Alexander. Uy, thank you sa nag-i-stay. May nag-i-stay ba sa live ko? I think wala. So, ayun. Hello, Hotspot. Shall we, guys? Hello, Romel. Hello, Sean. Shall we say Sean? Sean, hello, QC, NFT. Hello, Emperor. Guys, shall we? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, Tigas. Bakit naman ganun yung name mo? Thank you, Emperor, for sharing my life. Hello, Bia. Awesome. Thank you. Hello, Brokens man. Me too, Broken Woman. Bakit ganyan, Tigas Burat? Hindi ko tuloy hindi ko tuloy ma-shout out. Lagi kasi Hindi ko talaga ma-shout out. Hello, Tata. Good morning, ma'am. You look so beautiful. Or thank you. Hello, bad boy ng bayan. Like, guys, yung mga name niyo naman. Kasi hindi ko talaga ma-shout out. It's like, hello, bad boy ng bayan. Ay, bad boy ng bayan. Sino ka dyan? It's okay. Pero follow. Sabi ko, can you just be considerate? Sabi ko, kung pwede lang sana, it's okay. Yung pizza, okay yung pizza. Pero, meal, sabi ko, di ba sabi ko, wag tayo mag-choose ng meal. Sabi ko, thank you, Kenneth. Thank you so much.